Namaste to all. Welcome to Swami Vivekananda Yoga Trust channel. Today we are going to practice a beautiful meditation, that is sun meditation. By practicing sun meditation, produce the heat in our body. Heat can prevent COVID-19. Let's start. Sit comfortable. Vajrasan, Padmasan or Sukhasan. Your backbone, neck, head should be straight. Left hand down, right hand up. Slightly touch the thumbs. Keep on your legs. No tension in the body and mind. Face is smiling. Take a deep breath. Slowly breathe out. Breath in. Breathe out. Breath in. Breathe out. When you are inhaling, cool air enter in our body. When you are exhaling, warm air going outside. Enjoy with cool air and warm air. Within mind, pray to your God. Today we are going to practice sun meditation for COVID-19. Sun's heat can prevent COVID-19. If you are sit in front of the rising sun, see the rising sun directly. Without blinking your eyes. If it is not possible, just you imagine. Then gently close your eyes. Observe the beauty of sun, its color, shape and brightness of sun within mind. Beautiful experience. Observe the beauty of sun, its color, shape and brightness of sun within the mind. If it is not possible to do meditation at the early morning time, just you imagine. Now observe that When you are inhaling, you are seeking energy from the sun in your chest region. When the COVID-19 enter in our body, damage the lungs, try to feel the heat and light expanding throughout chest region. Imagine that heat energy fighting against COVID-19. Total virus completely destroyed. Now observe the white light energy which is expanding and covering whole stomach. Imagine that heat energy fighting against COVID-19, thus total virus completely destroyed. Observe that when you are inhaling, try to feel the white light and bright heat energy expanding throughout chest and from chest to spreading throughout your body. Enjoy. Enjoy the white, bright light, heat energy throughout your body. Observe the expanding of your consciousness and relax. Just you imagine you are seeking the energy from the sun. When you are inhaling, that energy going to upward direction to the center of eyebrows. And when you are exhaling, that energy should spreading throughout your body. When you are inhaling from the both nostrils, that energy should go in upward direction from the nostril to Agnya Chakra, in between the eyebrows. From that center of eyebrows, when you are exhaling, that energy should spreading throughout your body. Enjoy. Observe that when you are inhaling, you are seeking energy from the sun. When you are exhaling, that energy should spreading throughout your body. You are getting the subtle vibrations. Enjoy. Beautiful awareness, beautiful consciousness. When you are inhaling, receiving the energy from the sun. When you are exhaling, that energy should spreading throughout your body. You are getting the subtle vibrations. Enjoy. 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 Imagine that heat energy fighting against COVID-19 throughout your body. Total virus completely destroyed. When you are inhaling white, bright, light, heat energy receiving from the sun god, to the center of the eyebrows. When you are exhaling, observe the energy spreading throughout your body. That heat energy fighting against COVID-19, total virus completely destroyed. Meditating on the sun brought lot of energy within us. After that, next step, sankalpa or resolve. Resolve as a positive thought structured in a small sentence, not more than 4 or 5 words. Say, I am very healthy and energetic within the mind. I am very healthy and energetic. My immune system is very strong. My immune system is very strong. Repeat 9 rounds within mind. I am very happy and blissful. Please choose any one of the resolve at the end of the meditation. Repeat 9 rounds. You repeat that sentence with full of faith in the wonderful state of calmness, peace and bliss. Repeat the sentence with the full of feeling of the energy, vitality and bliss. Observe the total silence. No heartbeat, no lungs movement, no pulsation, no thoughts, effortless dwelling of single thought. Enjoy. Total important organs are taking a deep rest to work 24 hours very sharp. Total silence. Your body and mind get healthy and energetic. Your immune system will be very strong. You are very happy and blissful state of the mind. All the total COVID-19 virus destroyed with white, bright, light, heat energy. Finally, we will pray for the welfare of all people to get health, happiness and bliss. Slowly bring your awareness on your body and surroundings. Release your hands, rub your palms. Give a nice massage to your face muscles. Say 3 times Om Shanti Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinaha within mind. Give a nice massage to neck muscles also. With few blinkings and gently open the eyes.